Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Matic from Tangem Wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Matic tokens quickly and securely, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother with this transfer? Matic is the native token of the Polygon network, and shuffling it between wallets like Tangem and Trust can help you manage your assets more efficiently, especially with the evolving crypto landscape in 2025. But before we start, make sure you have both wallets set up on your device, with your Tangem wallet holding some Matic and your Trust wallet ready to receive it. Also, double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any hiccups. Alright, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your assets and select Matic from your portfolio. It's usually listed under your tokens or balances, easy peasy. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button for your Matic. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so switch over to your Trust Wallet app quickly. In Trust Wallet, go to the Receive section, select Matic, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent any costly mistakes. Crypto waits for no one. Step 3. Back in Tangem, paste that address into the recipient field. Now, enter the amount of Matic you want to transfer. Remember, you'll see a network fee estimate, so factor that in, especially with Polygon's fast transactions in 2025. Double-check everything, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. Once the transaction is broadcasting, keep an eye on it via the Blockchain Explorer. This usually takes just a few minutes on Polygon. Finally, hop back to Trust Wallet and refresh your balance to see your Matic arrive. Congrats! You've just mastered a key crypto skill. Wrapping this up, always prioritize security by using hardware wallets where possible and staying updated on wallet features. If you run into issues, check official support docs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.